Out there, in the vast expanse of the Pacific, lies a place like no other. It's a place of profound isolation, a pinpoint of solitude on our blue planet. This is Point Nemo, the oceanic pole of inaccessibility. It's the furthest you can be from any landmass on Earth. Point Nemo is not for the faint of heart. It's a place of immense power and raw, untamed beauty. The closest humans are often astronauts orbiting above in the International Space Station. Down here you are truly alone, facing the full force of nature. Point Nemo sits at 48 degrees 52.6 minutes south latitude and 123 degrees 23.6 minutes west longitude. This remote location is over 1,600 miles from the nearest land masses: Ducie Island, part of the Pitcairn Islands to the north, Motu Nui, part of Easter Island to the northeast, and Maher Island, off the coast of Antarctica, to the south. Imagine the sheer scale of the Pacific Ocean, and then picture this: a single point, equidistant from any shore, swallowed by the endless blue. Scientists call Point Nemo a pole of inaccessibility. It's a point on the globe that's the most challenging to reach. This isolation makes it a fascinating area for research. It's a window into the deep ocean, largely untouched by human activity. Survival at Point Nemo? Near impossible. Fresh water? Non-existent. Food? You're on your own in a vast, unforgiving food chain. The currents here are strong and unpredictable, making navigation treacherous. Communication with the outside world? Forget it. You're on your own. This is the ultimate test of human resilience. It's about using your skills and your wits to survive against all odds. It's about respecting the power of nature and understanding the true meaning of isolation. Though land may be distant, Point Nemo is not without its stories. Beneath the waves lies a graveyard of forgotten vessels claimed by the unforgiving ocean. These wrecks, remnants of voyages past, whisper tales of maritime history. They serve as a solemn reminder of the ocean's power and the fragility of human ambition. Even in this desolate expanse, legends persist. Some say that Point Nemo is a hub for unexplained phenomena. Strange lights, unusual sounds, and whispers of mythical sea creatures all add to the mystique of this remote location. Section 5. Graveyard of Giants, where ships go to rest. Point Nemo isn't just a point on the map, it's a final resting place. Hundreds of spacecraft, satellites, and even space stations have met their end in this watery grave. Why? Because it's the safest place for them to fall back to Earth. The area is sparsely populated by marine life, minimizing the impact of debris. These fallen giants create an otherworldly landscape on the ocean floor. It's a testament to human ingenuity, but also a reminder of our impact on the planet, even in the most remote corners. Section 6. Life Finds a Way. The 1991 Discovery. In 1991, scientists made an astonishing discovery at Point Nemo. Despite the extreme conditions, life thrived. They found a unique ecosystem of bacteria and microorganisms surviving on hydrothermal vents. These vents, spewing hot, mineral-rich water from the Earth's crust, provide the energy for life in this otherwise barren environment. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. It showed that life could exist in the most extreme environments, challenging our assumptions about the limits of life itself. Section 7. The Aliens of Point Nemo. The creatures that inhabit Point Nemo's depths are like something out of a science fiction novel. Giant squid with eyes the size of dinner plates patrol the abyss. Bioluminescent jellyfish flashing like underwater disco balls light up the darkness. These animals have adapted to survive in this extreme environment, with its crushing pressure and lack of sunlight. Studying these creatures could hold the key to understanding the origins of life on Earth. They may even provide insights into the potential for life on other planets, particularly those with similar extreme environments. Section 8. The Future of Nemo. Point Nemo faces an uncertain future. Climate change, pollution, and the potential for deep-sea mining all pose threats to this unique ecosystem. It's a stark reminder that even the most remote corners of our planet are not immune to human impact. Protecting Point Nemo is crucial, not just for the sake of its biodiversity, but for the future of our planet. It's a call to action, a reminder that we have a responsibility to preserve the wonders of our natural world, no matter how remote. Section 9. A place of wonder and isolation. Point Nemo is a paradox, a place of both profound isolation and incredible biodiversity. It's a place that challenges our perceptions of life on Earth and inspires us to explore the unknown. But it's also a place that reminds us of our responsibility to protect our planet, even in its most remote corners. So, the next time you look out at the vastness of the ocean, remember Point Nemo. It's a reminder that there's still so much to discover, and so much we need to protect.